Hello guys, this video in regards to uh, drivers for the ASUS GL 503. So I supposed to found these drivers in the service center actually. How did it is? Actually, I took my laptop to the ASUS service center and they had did some testings everything. They have reinstalled some operating system like that. But they forgot to delete some files while they're doing. So um, got those files. Actually, what it contains this entire okay, it's a tool to install all drivers at a single click. So actually, you can able to install drivers. It can be available in the website itself, but you have to manually install everything. But this tool, you don't need to do anything. Just whatever all drivers will be there, all drivers will be available. You just need to select whatever drivers you are missing, or if you are performing a uh, new operating system, or if you are installing a new operating system, you can just install operating system and just open the tool and select all drivers, and you don't need to forget it, you don't need to think about anything. So right now I have installed all drivers. There's no problem with my computer laptop. um, so if you don't have any software or any driver installed in it, it will show as like not available or anything something. You just need to select whatever driver it is not available, and you can just click install. That's all. This will be helpful if you have done a new operating system installation and you don't want to connect to internet, or just want to install in everything in a single click. Just you just have to open this software and select whatever necessary and click install. uh, I don't think you can be available. It is possible to found this tool anywhere. So that's all. Also, I will provide the link in the description. You can able to find there. If you're having any doubts or anything, you can just feel free to comment on whatever you like. So that's it, guys. Have a nice day.